You need to get the water to that line. There's a little line right there. Okay?
Yeah. So how many tubes are you doing? 4 tubes, right?
Pretty much it's going to be your nitrate, your calcium, your alkalinity, nitrate, calcium, alkalinity, and your phosphates, okay? So each one has its own vial. So test number 1 would be, let's just do your KH, okay?
Right.
Okay, this one doesn't say anything, doesn't say 1 or 2, so it's only 1 bottle, okay? The KH, that's your alkalinity. So you add 1 drop, turns blue, you add another drop, you start counting your drops now. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's yellow. So your KH is at 4, okay?
Yeah. You have a. You last time you used this thing here, right?
Yeah. No, that's not there's no color chart on that. You just got to count the drops from when it turns from blue to yellow. Right now it's 4. Okay, so that's where your KH is at.
This is alkaline, right?
Yeah, alkaline. Your alkaline is at 4, which
So this
it
is the
should
bottle.
be.
So this is the bottle you use.
So it should be about 8 to 11. Right now it's at 4. Okay. Next we're gonna do your calcium. Calcium, it tells you right here. Bottle number 1, 10 drops. Okay, so it's 10.
Yep.
You got 10 drops in the water. 9, 10. You shake it up. Open it back up. Then you add the number 2. Number 2 again, you got to count the drops again. Counting the drops one more time, okay? Until it turns into a blue, dark blue color.
This is test tube number 2 or 3?
This is number 2. This is the same test, okay?
Okay.
So we did the calcium number 1 bottle.
Yeah.
Now we're at number 2.
All right.
Calcium number 1, you add 10 drops.
Yeah.
And then the number 2, you start counting the drops, okay? Until it starts changing color to a dark purple blue. Okay, we're at 1 drop, 2 drops. It's gonna take a while because it should be about 20. 3 drops. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. Okay.
It's purple.
Yeah. So you're at 24 drops, okay? Now you got to multiply that by 20. Okay? Your calcium's at 480.
What's in the range?
The good range is anywhere from 400 to 500. So your calcium is okay.
Uh huh.
Okay, right now your alkalinity is low, your calcium is okay. So that's how you test your calcium. 10 drops of this. Calcium number 1, bottle number 1, says 10 drops right here. Then you start counting the drops until it turns into a bluish purple, okay?
Yeah.
Number 2. Nitrate number 3. The third test would be the nitrate. Bottle 1, bottle 2. Your bottle 1 tells you again 10 drops right here. 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 drops of that. Shake it up real good.
Why did you need to shake the other bottle too? You're supposed to do that way, right?
Well, it's a new, it's a test kit, so I'm just mixing it up. Then you drop 10 drops of this. It says right here. Nitrate bottle number 2, 10 drops. This one you don't count. You just add the 10 drops. Alright, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put the lid on. Give it a shake. 5 minutes. Then you put it next to your color chart, okay?
5 minutes.
Yes. This one takes a while. This one changes color.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't need to shake it 5 minutes, right?
No. So if it stays yellow, that means your water is clean. If it turns red, that means your water is there's a lot of waste in there. The last test is going to be a phosphates in your water. Pretty simple. Bottle number 1, bottle number 2. You have 6 drops of this in there. Add 6 drops of this in there. Shake it up, and then put it next to the color chart. See where the color changes to.
So you're doing 10 drops right there?
6.
6.
Okay, 6.
Okay.
6 drops of each. Shake it up. We need to say yellow. All the charts are right here. We want it to turn yellow and not turn green.
That looks good, right? Yeah, in the middle.
We want a yellow. You don't want it to be blue or green or anything like that. There's some there. It's not high, but there's some there. Surprisingly, your waste level is pretty low. Surprisingly, but your KH is low. That's it.
So that's the only problem with my tank right now, right? Are we done? We're done with the stuff, right?
On this, we're done. Yes.
Okay, good.